Hey everyone out there, welcome back to the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And solar panels are going to start going up in price. Now, about a year ago, I made the claim on this very channel that I do believe solar is pretty much flatlined as far as the cost. I believe it's going to start getting more efficient and better, whatever, but the costs are going to start coming up. It's nice to be right sometimes. However, for all of us as consumers, this may not be the case. This is an indirect increase in cost is because of the cost of silver being used in more and more electronics and electrical equipment, but also the aluminum, the frame that goes around the solar panel, that also is being pushed up. Metal and commodities across the world are being more and more utilized, more necessity, supply versus demand. Prices are pushing up across the board for everything from glass to aluminum to the copper wires to the silver contacts, all of it. It's all going up. Solar panels won't be unique in not seeing this. They will start to slowly go up as well. So what I'm trying to tell you is, if you're thinking about going solar, regardless of who you go with, the longer you wait at this point, the incentives are going to get worse, the panels are going to get more money. This is not a time to be waiting around. We just got the ITC extended. Let's use some brain power here in figuring that looking forward, solar is going to be more costly to you and the incentives are going to go down. If you've been waiting, don't wait any longer. Now's the time. Go solar. Call one of your reputable and amazing local solar installation companies. And even in areas we're not servicing, if we can help, reach out to us. We can give you some names of some great companies we've worked with over the last few years. So again, thanks for watching our channel today with us. Thanks for joining us. And from everybody here at the amazing Solar Wolf Energy family, thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV. Thanks.